Yeah, so I don't know where he got these. Come on, grab yourself.
Theft of property, Dallas-Fort Worth International Airport Detained, April 25th, 2024. Jurisdiction, Texas, United States Investigating Agency, DFW Airport Police Department. A flight attendant's luggage was stolen from Terminal A. The suspect boarded a DART commuter train and exited the airport. Officers located the subject within minutes of dispatch.
Come on, grab yourself. Step off. Grab yourself. Let's go ahead and step off real quick. Go ahead and step off. Grab it. I know. I got it. We're going to bring it off.
Out of service?
No, go ahead and grab that card. Go ahead and get off.
I'll get the card. Just a favor, have a seat over here, okay?
So, where are you coming from?
I just come from downtown.
Downtown?
Yeah,
Okay. So, were you at the airport just a minute ago?
not recently.
Not recently? Okay. So, why would we have a Sonia luggage with you in your possession?
Because I got a call for it.
You got a call for it?
Yeah.
Who called you for it?
My hurt.
Hurt? She called you? So right now we have you at the airport going to there and just picking that up and walking away.
And she called me.
Okay. You have any ID on you or anything like that?
No, I don't.
Okay.
How'd she call you?
Oh, Parkland.
She called you at Parkland?
Yes, I was at Parkland.
Okay. And how do you know her?
Oh, been friends for a long time.
Been friends for a long time?
Very long time.
Well, so how old is Sonia?
How old is she?
I'm sorry?
How old is she?
Yeah. How do you guys know each other? I know you said a long time, but how do you know each other? You guys go to school together? You guys?
Yeah.
So she's the same age as you?
Mm-hmm.
What age is that?
It's been so long.
You don't know your own age?
Yeah, I know my age.
Okay.
We're the same age. I'm 36.
Okay, so she would be 36 also, okay? Okay.
Is that your hospital band?
Yes.
Let me see it real quick. Hey, I'm gonna take a picture of it, alright?
Okay.
I got the spelling wrong. What were you in Parkland for?
Oh, medication.
Medication? Okay. Well, I see all those cards that you have in your hand are also for Sonia as well. She tell you to get those too?
Yep.
Okay. Well, whose car keys are those?
Yeah, it's mine.
Those are her car keys too?
No, it's mine. I was at Parkland.
Those are your car keys?
Yes, it's mine. We share a car.
Okay. So here's the deal. So right now you're detained, okay?
Okay.
You're detained for an ongoing investigation for theft in progress, okay? We're gonna contact Miss Sonia to see if she actually told you to come get it for her.
Oh, okay.
Okay? Right now would probably be the best thing to probably tell us the truth.
About what? I picked up a luggage.
Okay? Were you directed to?
Yes. I got called.
You were called
Yeah.
by Sonia herself and said, hey, go pick up my luggage from the airport.
I got called.
How do you know Sonia?
You just told us
Long
all
time
to
friend.
Long-time friend? Where'd y'all meet?
Way back in high school.
High school?
Yes.
You're the same age.
I just gave him the PNR, so he's going to go talk to Prospect and just get a contact number.
Okay.
Do you have anything that's on you? That's any weapons or anything like that? Needles, knives, or anything like that? No. Where'd you get that watch from?
I've been having it.
You've been having it?
Yes, for a long time. Quite a long time.
So is that a credit card? Sonia's credit card?
No, it's not a credit card.
Debit card?
Yes, it's a debit.
It's a debit card?
Yes.
Let me see those keys real quick.
They're old. It's an old car.
So what kind of car is it?
Lincoln.
Lincoln? Okay. So do you have a phone on you?
No, I don't.
Do you have a tile?
Tile?
Do you know what that is?
Oh, what's that? Title?
A tile. Do you know what a tile is?
What, towel? Oh, what?
Like a tile. T-I-L-E.
A rag? What you mean, a rag?
No, not a towel. A tile. T-I-L-E. Do you know what that is?
Towel? No, where you going?
No, you don't know what it is?
I don't know what you're talking about.
So if these are your car keys, you should know what's on your car keys, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's an old car.
I understand it's an old car. But when I ask you, do you have a tile, you don't know what that is. There happens to be a tile on this keychain. You would think you know what a tile is if you have it on your keychain.
It's been so long. I've been in Parkland all day.
Okay. Shantuan, you see how the story's not adding up, right?
I just go to Parkland.
I mean, I can ask anybody out here. They probably know exactly what's on their car keys. Okay?
Sure, but I mean,
we can figure out, we can call her right now and see if she has a Lincoln. If she has a towel on it, if she can track it. And if it all comes back to her, you have her keys in her possession.
I've been in Parkland, and I was going back to Parkland too.
So what made you come out here to the airport besides coming to pick up her stuff?
Oh no, I've been having a long day.
So what time she call you?
Oh, this is way earlier, and I'm late. I was late picking it up.
And what made her have you come pick up the bag instead of her picking up her own bag?
It's a long frame, but she called me from emergency.
From the emergency room?
Yes.
Hey, we're here at the baggage claim. The bag was actually sitting next to the ticket counter by them. It was a bag that came in earlier. The passenger's not even here. They don't have any of the information.
It looks like it came in at 2:30, but I got the PNR, and actually we just looked at the bag tag and it's got a phone number, so Con's just calling me right now.
All the information is on the bag, so I guess contact the victim, see what they want done.
Sweet, thank you.
Cool, thank you.
I guess that would have been easy just to look at that.
Hey, figure it out as we go.
Yeah.
Is this Miss Sonia? This is Officer Chris Cons from DFW Airport Police. How are you? So we have an incident. Do you know hold on one second, let me get his name first of all. Do you know a Chantuan? Okay. Did you request anybody to pick up your bags from the airport today? Okay. We currently have a bag that has your number, your bag tag on it in our possession. An individual got off of a DART train, walked up to the Terminal A, grabbed your bag, got back on the DART train, and we have him here in our custody right now. He's detained. So I'm making contact with you to make sure whether or not you gave him permission to retrieve your bag, because he's stating that you called him to come pick up his bag for you. Okay. Do you happen to own a vehicle? What kind of vehicle do you own? A Lincoln MKS?
That's really good tile.
Okay. Do you have a tile on your keychain? Okay. It doesn't work? What about like a white watch? If I was to send you pictures of things with gold on it, just
Watched it?
Yep. Okay. Do I have permission to go through your bag to make sure everything's all here? We're gonna search the individual's person to make sure what else he has on him. He does have your white watch with gold ring. He's actually currently wearing it, and he said he's had that for a long time. He said the car keys was his. It's an old Lincoln. But whenever I asked him about the tile, he didn't even know what a tile was. So, which confirmed the fact that he didn't even know those were his car keys. But we're gonna search him to make sure there's nothing else on him that may be yours. I know he was holding a couple credit cards in his hands when I first made contact with him. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a picture of everything that was on his person, and I'm gonna send them to you. Let me give you a call back, and then I'll let you know everything else, okay?
Don't take something. Take this match off real quick.
So this stuff is for sure all his. He had the American Airlines jacket on him.
Yeah, before you bring in any of the property, I just let him know he has or two lighters.
I'll let him know though.
So those are definitely his slides.
Okay.
I'm gonna throw his pizza away.
Yeah.
But he's got Sonia's name on
Oh,
the pizza.
well, he might. Oh,
Unless he wrote it on there or something, I don't know. Hey, all those cards that he had,
Yeah.
no, I want to see if they're hers. Because he had her debit card on him, so I don't know. Yeah, so I don't know where he got these from. Now, I can't prove the cash. Hi, Miss Sonia, it's Officer Cons again. So I just went and did just a search of your bag. I'm just going to go over things with you as I put it back in. So I pulled everything out, and I'm going to go over it with you putting it back in. You have several articles of like envelopes and paperwork and documents with all of your name on it in here. A couple gift cards in here that has your, I think there's also like a membership card or something like that with your name on it. He had those gift cards on his person, your white guest watch on his person, and also the car keys on his person. What I need from you, a copy of your driver's license, and can you give me like a ballpark estimate on how much all this would cost?
Investigative Detention 4th Amendment, Terry v. Ohio 392 U.S. 1, 1968. Officers may conduct a brief investigative stop, a Terry stop, based on reasonable articulable suspicion of criminal activity. Required elements: 1. Specific facts. 2. Rational inferences. 3. Criminal activity afoot. At satisfying the threshold here. Active theft in progress report. Subject matching suspect description. In possession of luggage matching the victims, located in immediate proximity to the scene. At Note, Illinois v. Wardlow, 528 U.S. 119, 2000. Flight from or avoidance of police is a permissible factor in the reasonable suspicion calculus. The subject had already departed the airport, consistent with flight. At 2. Miranda and Voluntary States Fifth Amendment, Berkemer v. McCarty for 68 U.S. 420, 1984. That Miranda warnings are not required during investigative detentions. A Terry stop is noncustodial by nature. All statements made by the subject during this phase were voluntarily given and are fully admissible. At Miranda attaches only at formal arrest when a reasonable person would not feel free to terminate the encounter. The transition to formal custody is the trigger point, not the moment of initial contact. At and constant element, Texas Penal Code Graph 31.03. At a person commits theft if he unlawfully appropriates property with intent to deprive the owner of it. Appropriation is unlawful when it occurs without the owner's effective consent. 3103.1. The subject's defense rested entirely on one claim. The victim authorized him to retrieve her property. Under paragraph 3103, this would negate the unlawfulness element, if true. At officers the victim directly via the airline bag tag phone number. Victim's telephonic statement, "I did not authorize anyone to retrieve my bag," collapsed the defense entirely. Issue for Concert, United States. Ross 456 U.S. 798, 1982. At the victim gave telephonic consent to search her property. Under Ross, officers may search containers when the owner has consented. The bag search and inventory were constitutionally lawful on this basis.
The reason I'm asking is because there's different levels of offenses for theft.
Well, I know the uniforms alone cost about $300, and then the watches. I would say we're close to like $1,000 in that bag if you added the gift cards and all that. Yeah. Okay, so that guest watch was about $300.
Guest watch is about $300. Okay.
Yeah.
The other watch that you had in that that baggie, is that another guest watch? I'm assuming. No, it's a 9 West watch.
Yeah, that probably was only about 59 or something like that.
59ish.
Just all the earrings together, I would just say about $150, $200.
Okay. That is enough for us right now to basically add the charge that we need to have.
Okay. Did he go through the bag?
So I don't know 100%. My belief is, where did you have a American Airlines sweatshirt at? Would it have been like right on top?
Yeah, my sweater.
Yes, a sweater.
Yeah.
So I don't know, and I'm not digging too far into this, Miss Sonia. I don't know how you pack your bags. It does look like it may have been gone through, but it looks like all he did was take stuff out of the. Where was your car keys and the white gold watch at?
It should have been in like a pocket on the side.
In the front?
Or something like that.
Like a top front pocket, like the small front pocket in the top?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's the only pouch that was open. I don't believe a sweatshirt would fit in there, which leads me to believe that he did enter into your main compartment of your suitcase. But the only part that was open when I made contact with him was the top small part, which I led to believe is where probably all that small stuff was located. The stuff
When you saying sweatshirt, are you saying a sweater or?
Yeah, the sweater. I'm sorry. Just like the sweater jacket with like the American Airlines wings symbol on them. That's the only thing that had on it. But nothing else he had on him, except for, like I said, your car keys. The actual white watch with the gold, the guest watch, he actually had around his wrist. He was wearing it. The baggie of the miscellaneous jewelry, that was at the very bottom. I just saw that it may be of value, so that's why I pulled it out.
Okay. All right.
I just wanted to make sure, because I only saw one of some things. I wanted to make sure that you knew there's only one of some things, which you did confirm.
Okay. All right.
As far as what he's going to do, you are the victim of the offense, so he will be going to jail if you want to file charges.
Yes.
Okay, there you go.
So he is going to jail for a theft of property, $750 to $2,500.
At Luggage of Value, Texas Penal Code, Graph 3109. At amounts involved in thefts committed pursuant to one scheme or continuing course of conduct may be aggregated to determine the grade of the offense. All items taken in a single act are combined for valuation. At aggregate valuation established, victim confirmed, flight attendant uniforms, 300 guest watch, 9 West Watch, 59's airings, 152 gift cards. Additional value totaled 1,000 plus. Application Texas Penal Code, paragraph 31.3E3. At theft of property valued at $750 or more, but less jail felony punishment range, 180 days, 2 years, state jail facility fine, up to $10,000. At 1,000 plays aggregate value show, the offense cleared this is 750 jail felony, a significant escalation above Class A misdemeanor, under $750. At case out subject charged, theft of property, $750,000 to $1,000, state jail felony, subject permanently banned, Dallas-Fort Worth International Airport officer conduct, no complaints or disciplinary action identified. Lessons learned, investigative technique. At a legitimate owner knows what is on their property. Failure to identify a device physically attached to an allegedly owned keychain is a self-generated credibility gap, more powerful in court than any officer accusation. Lessons learned evidentiary procedure. Lessons learned value aggregation. At Key Legal Citations Me, Terry v. Ohio, 1968, Investigative Detention Standard, Illinois, Fisafjeni, Investigative 2018, Feenty, Forster 68 U.S. Case for T. Berkemer v. McCarty, Forster 6 Stops of 98, 1984, Miranda in Terry Stops, United States, 1982, Consent Search Doctrine, Texas Penal Code, 31.3 and 3. 31.9, Theft and Felony Threshold.